Few more concepts about a complex number. A plus bi is also called as the rectangular form or Cartesian form. There is something called as the conjugate of a complex number. So the conjugate of a plus bi is a minus bi, where real part stays same but the sign of the imaginary part changes. So this is the complex conjugate of z. If suppose this is z, this is z bar. Few examples. If these four are the complex numbers, z, z bar. So we are finding out the complex conjugates. So for 2 plus 6 it is 2 minus 6 है, 2 plus 6 है, minus 2. So minus 2 is the real part which will not change. Sign of the imaginary part will change. Minus 2 plus 6 है. Many a times in complex number problems we come across such kind of a situation, 1 upon I. So this can be manipulated in this manner, multiplying I on both numerator and denominator, which is I upon I square, which is I upon minus 1. Hence it is minus I. So 1 upon I directly we can substitute as minus I. Now, many a times we will come across certain situations in which there will be an odd power of I or even power of I. So how to tackle such kind of problems? So certain hints. I raised to 1 is I square is equal to minus 1. This we all know. What's next? I raised to odd power. Example, I raised to 7. 7 is an odd number. 7 is an odd number. First of all, I am taking out one I from this, which is I. So the power of I remaining is 6. Laws of indices. Now carefully understand this particular step. I raised to 6, which can be written as I square raised to 3. It can also be written as I cube raised to 2, but I want this square within the bracket into I, which is equal to minus 1 cube into I. Minus 1 raised to odd power is always minus 1 into I, hence it is minus I. So important thing is over here, that is this can also be written as I cube raised to 2, but for our calculation purpose I want this square within the bracket, and what is the power left, it is written generally out of the bracket. I raised to even power, I raised to 10, which is I square raised to 5 which is minus 1 raised to 5, and hence it is minus 2.